Hi guys, Hugo Cleaning Depot in Henderson. Right behind me I have a 2018 Ram ProMaster, beautiful van, high roof, and a 650 HP ProChem. And this is a little bit of custom work that make a big difference when you're out in the field. Some ideas that I had for the customer. I think you've seen a video before where I have a little mixer in here with the two jets. Easy to mix, so we just put a valve on it. You just put your powder in there for your rinse, open this up, that's one. Another thing is, on the auto pump outs on the units, they usually want you to have them here in the front, but you have your hose reels in the back, so you have to bring your hose reel, your hose, your garden hose, to the front and hook up the auto pump out. So that one I actually rerouted it to the back. You'll see that set up here in a little bit, but this was all sprayed. It has the divider in it. It's sprayed all the way up to the top. You have a lot of room on these, on the top. So what I ended up doing was cutting up a stainless steel chemical rack and getting everything powder coated. So now we're utilizing the top area on these Hydromaster holders for your wand or your turbo. Super nice, clean setup. Everything's live, so your solution's live, your garden, your incoming water is live, just not the vacuum. Don't do live vacuums, it kills your vacuum, kills your CFM. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 reels, and this one is for the auto pump out. This one that's down here. And then this one's gonna be for to fill up his tank, or if he just wants to run from the house to his machine. Hyd force holder, powder coated pink. And so this is the auto pump out. So it's back here. It makes sense because the reel's here. So the reels are back here, and you have your incoming there and your auto pump out there. So it makes more sense that way. Got plenty of room. These tanks are big. This is the Sapphire one, but it still gives plenty of room to put your zipper, your CRB, your RX-20, your Rotovacs, and we tucked everything in back here pretty nicely. There's his auto pump out and water softener. So everything came out pretty nice. Also, check us out at Cleaning Depot store. We have accessories, chemicals there. CleaningDepotStore.com. But tell me what you think, comment below. Thank you.